Hey, welcome to Jacksonville Beach MarineMax. My name is Ty Miller and I'm standing on board Grady-White's 285 Freedom that just arrived at our dealership. A few things about this boat that I really love and make it one of the most versatile and best in class in a 28-foot dual console space. With the upgraded 350 Yamaha motors, this boat has a top end speed of 60 miles an hour with cruising speed right there just above 30, burning just a little less than 2 miles per gallon. So fuel efficiency is amazing. The versatility of this boat is exceptional. The sure shade and a ski tow pylon off the hardtop gives you the ability to have comfort, ability to do your recreational sports as well as a large dance floor in the back to do some bottom fishing, trolling, large fish box and live well in the back, plenty of seating. This boat comes with the optional summer kitchen. So we have a refrigerator, sink here, plenty of space to make lunch, food. As we move forward in the boat, the 285 has an incredibly large head, which makes it comfortable for the entire family to use. As we go up to the dash, we've already taken the liberty of adding a 16-inch screen to this particular unit, along with joystick. Makes the boat incredibly easy to handle. As we go up to the front of the boat, no shortage of seating and space to lounge and hang out. For these reasons, this boat is athletic, tons of seating, tons of capability to go as far offshore as you want to go. So it really does it all. If you'd like to know more about this boat, my name is Ty Miller. My number is 904-444-9660. Would love to talk to you about it more.